Hey, I've been looking for a good handyman.
Well, it's a little soon to know how good he is.
I'll find out.
I'm starting to see a trend here.
Bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche. That bony bitch! Looks like your problem's solved.
Are you crazy? That rat bastard is stealing my girlfriend.
Forget the girl, he's stealing our soup.
Hey, baby, thanks so much for coming to see me.
Well, that's what friends are for. So, Charlie, did you know that Fernando volunteers to build homeless shelters in his spare time?
No, I didn't. Did you know his cousin steals wood?
Really? That is fascinating.
Why don't you come on inside so we can visit?
Oh, I'll see you later, Fernando.
Thank you for your thoughtful soup. It nourishes my body as your beauty nourishes my soul.
Find something to say.